Hi dear students, how are you all of you? Dear students, you all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. If you are new on our channel, dear student, please subscribe it. If you subscribe, you will get the notification at the first. Then you will understand the lesson which is uploaded by me. Yes, you can see the screen, and on the screen you can see the lesson name, The Peacock and the Crane. What is the name of the lesson, dear student? The Peacock and the Crane. It is 1.6. Yes. Now just you will understand this lesson. I'll read it for you. Let's start. There was once a very conceited peacock who had a gorgeous tail. Yes, like no other bird. So, when he met a crane one day, the peacock scoffed at one crane's colorless and dull feathers and immediately spread his own colorful tail for the crane to see and admire. Look at my feathers, he boasted. How they shine in all the colors of the rainbow, while yours are so pale. I am dressed like a king. Yes, that is true, the crane answered, but I can fly high above among the clouds and the stars, and I can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory, while you live down here just like any other cock. Fine feathers don't make fine birds. See, this is very nice message they have given, dear students. Now just we will understand who was there. There was once a very conceited peacock. Yes, this peacock he had no proud on his feathers. Yes, he was greed on his feathers. Who had a gorgeous tail like no other birds. Yes, he was looking gorgeous. Okay, he was looking gorgeous, and see, because his gorgeousness, because his beauty, he had a pride. So, when he met a crane one day, the peacock scoffed at the crane's colorless and dull feathers. And when, see, this gorgeous peacock, he had met to whom, dear student? He had met to crane. And you all have seen the crane. Crane has a white color, and none of the different color, none of even no, it has it doesn't have any other color in its body. Yes, so and immediately spread his own colorful tail for the crane to see and admire. And what had happened? The crane and the peacock, they came in front of each other, and what the peacock had done, peacock spread down his all the feathers that crane should see, because the peacock, he was gorgeous and he had means all the colors of the rainbow colors of the beauty on its feather, but it was not same with the crane. So this no he had spreaded immediately his feathers to show to the crane. Look at my feathers, he boasted. And what he had seen, what he no said to the crane, look at my feathers, how they shine in all the colors of the rainbow. See, dear students, see the peacock and the crane, they were having discussion between them. So the peacock, he had shown his feathers, colorful feathers to the crane. Yes, and see, peacock is telling that my feathers are like a rainbow color. Yes, and yours are so pale, means you don't have any color on your feathers. Your feathers are totally plain. I am dressed like a king. Then see how peacock was having little bit proud on his color and the look, and peacock is telling to the crane that I am looking like a sea king. That's true, the crane answered. But I can fly high above among the clouds and the stars, and I can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory, while you live down here just like any other cock. Yes, and crane was agree with the peacock. Crane told that yes, that's true. But see, he answering. Crane answered, but I can fly high above among the clouds and the stars. See, crane. You all know that crane can fly high in the sky. Yes or no? But can peacock? No, peacock doesn't fly. Yes. See, I can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory. Then crane is telling, when I fly over the sky, in the sky, I can see the clouds, stars, even I can see the beauty of earth in all its glory, all the sights, all the beauty of the earth. Yes, its glory I can see. While you live down here just like any other cock. Even you are beautiful, but you are living down on the earth like a cock. Yes, can cock fly high in the sky? No, dear student. Like peacock also can't fly high in the sky. So crane is telling it doesn't matter if you are beautiful, but you cannot take enjoyment of the looking glory of the earth. That I can take it. Fine feathers don't make fine birds. See, if your feathers are fine, that it doesn't mean that you are the fine bird. They have told it here. It was very nice, no little conversation between crane and the peacock is given. Yes, it's very easy to understand. See, here are the see. Conceited means very proud, when arrogant. Uh, Gorgeous means beautiful, magnificent, stunning. Scoffed at means laughed at the crane, rudely and scornfully. Yes. Fine feathers don't make fine birds. They have given the meaning. What does it means? The saying fine feathers make fine birds is used in a negative sense to indicate that looks or flashy clothes may not be very important after all. See, if you have the shine clothes, flashy clothes, it doesn't mean that these are very important. Yes, if you are wearing clothes is the important, but the which clothes you are wearing, it doesn't important. Yes, like this they have given the meaning. I will give you the pointers answer of these questions in the next video. Dear students, to get more videos like this, please subscribe it so you will get the videos and the exercises on our channel. Thank you.